After 4 years of drought, the prospect of rain this winter is certainly welcomed, but too much too fast could cause some big problems, and that's why public works crews are beginning to prepare for just that possibility of flooding. Action News reporter Phil Gomez joins us live from Santa Cruz with details.
Well, right now, the city, county, and first responders are holding a storm preparedness workshop in Watsonville so they know how to get ready for potential flooding and learn what agencies are doing to protect them. Over the years, businesses and homes have been hard hit by winter storms, especially when the Pajaro River spilled over more than 1,500 homes and 100 businesses were damaged or destroyed. People living in the floodplain zone want to know what's being done.
I was told that they'd keep it cleaned out when I moved in here. And if they don't, I don't know where we're going to be.
Today, 24 members of the Ben Lomond Fire Camp were thinning growth from along a 1-mile stretch of the Pajaro River.
You got too much growth, you'll get this kind of stuff backing up, and it'll, slow the water down, raise the water up, and then you get flooding.
Over the last 3 years, grant money and county funding went towards the bench excavation project, where 250,000 yards of cubic earth were moved from the Pajaro River and Salsipuedes Creek to make it safer and more natural.
Adding as much as 2 feet in some areas of the levee and restoring the levee integrity in those areas where work was needed.
The county is gearing up for the El Nino-driven storms, not only through the usual means, cleaning debris from storm drains, but by using social media to quickly get information out to the public.
We want to give, urgent or emergency access to folks immediately, or information news to the folks out there. So the Twitter account is becoming more common for public works departments. So we can put out a message real quickly if you follow us.
And members of the public are being reminded to be prepared.
We're trying to be proactive, have this meeting tonight, and talk with people about what they can do to be prepared.
And the Public Works Department plans to finalize their Twitter and other phone numbers the public can contact for information about electrical outages in November. Erin?
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Phil.